I begin to.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right in his care. So I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, right in his care. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.
Good morning. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. For those who know me, hi, my name is Pinky and I go with Pinky_Hustler Mom. In this channel we do motherhood lifestyle content. We also hustle a lot, and then we do them in the form of vloggy. It's on a Friday, you guys. And I'm so up early in the morning. Let me show you the time. It's 10:07. 10:07. Actually, I have to edit this photo. I have to add a baby girl here. It's close to 7:15 in the morning and it's very cold. Even outside, like it's freezing. Guys, because I'm lazy to vlog. I don't wanna lie. I'm just pushing myself. No, you already have a small footage. Why don't you add up and, mix and match and make a vlog? Oh, yeah, guys. So on the 17th of this month, in a birthday I did. Yo, Shem, Sababahle. I'll just attach some pictures here. We were so cute on that day. We celebrated him. Sometimes only old you can be young. Like he went like, please sing for me, because we are singing for my children, And he said to me, can you pick a restaurant where we can go? I was like, you know what? This is for the kids to celebrate with you. Let's just go to Spare. And then Rina will just celebrate on our own. Yeah, that was it. And such a milestone. Yo, how nahana? We met back in 2013 August, if I still remember. 2013 August. How we met, I was going to MTN. My contract, I applied for S4 at that time. S4 was on the tops, and I applied for that phone at MTN. Then I was approved. So I don't have a car. We were staying in the same complex or estate, back in 2013, before life knocked me down. Please. So I was staying number 8, then he was staying number 18. So the houses were, So I was going to MTN to fetch my phone. Now and we're like, where are you going? Can I know I'm going to MTN to fetch my phone? And then we're like, oh, okay, let me take you there. Back in 2013, go Munandi. I go, okay, I agreed. Do you have a child? And I was like, hey, Wena, I'm only 23 years old. What do you mean? I don't have kids. I don't have any. And then I was like, Wena, no, I don't have any. Oh, okay. But okay, I already seen, but okay. Yeah, more guy. Then my kids are always asking me, Mom, how did you meet Daddy? Especially Taba. Then we went to MTN. When we get to MTN, they told me, you know what? You were supposed to bring your SIM card. At that time, in this instance, ibe kati where then ibe a small one. I don't know how to, maybe what it's called in English, but they were supposed to size down the SIM card. And then I told him when I get like, where's the phone? No, I didn't get the phone. They're saying that I should go back and come back with my SIM card so that they can set up the phone. I don't know, no problem. I will take you back and take you here again. Yo. Then you go back, take the SIM card, go back. And then I got the phone, and then he said to me, what do you wanna eat? Yo, hi, more. And I thought I was got a pizza. I don't even know what pizza I think. Oh, and he bought me pizza at 60 rand. I now know it's 60 rand, but back then I didn't know. But when he just swiped the pizza, and the rest was history. The pizza again, hi bo. Yeah, so that was it, guys. A mini story time. Me. Yeah, I will continue overnight. Then what happened? It's a lot. Like, I met him on his 20s. We grew together. I saw him on his 30s. Now I see him in his 40s. Hi, Bo. Yeah, that was it. In few years to come, Linda Tabiki on the 4th floor. But otherwise, I'm never pushing 3rd floor for now. So guys, what a long intro. If you have hopped on the train from the onset, thank you so much, darling. And if you are watching it, Wena Obasa Edibles, please click the like button, please, darlings, please. And I don't know why the views are so low. And you guys is like we are skipping ads. Please don't skip ads because mommy needs money. So guys, what are we doing today? Guys, I just want to do my fridge. I'm going to show you the mess in this fridge, and then you do the fridge. If the time is still there, we will just clean my stove, like do a mini cleaning. Then later I have run out of stock. I have to go and buy some stock. Yeah guys, so let's go. Oh, okay, let me address this now. There was the other mommy that was saying, you know what, mommy, I found what I can sell, but now like I don't have any confidence to do so. If you feel like that, I'm talking to all of you now. Just start and put anything on your WhatsApp. Keep on posting. That's how you advertise. Advertise on TikTok, advertise on Facebook, advertise on WhatsApp, like on all your social media platforms. Even if you don't even get a like or any comment or any question about the product that you're selling, keep on posting. It will take you far, my darling. It will open the gates for you. So make sure that you advertise each and every day. Guys, Pick and Pay is advertising. ShopRite is advertising. Like big shops are advertising. So when if you sell, you don't even advertise, then what? So when I keep on advertising, don't mind what people will say. Poverty does not pay bills. What people may say does not pay bills. When I just concentrate on your lane, trust and believe me, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. And it's not nice to be broke, guys. It's not nice. Broke. It's not nice. So let's keep on trying, darlings. Otherwise, let's wash my fridge. Let's wash my fridge.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right.
backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me, yeah.
I bought a new kettle. I bought a new kettle because this baby, my kids are now grown, so they can do their own breakfast in the morning while I'm sleeping. And I saw, I'm going to lose my baby. The way they were pressing, what and what. And I went like, you know what? Let me buy another kettle so that I can save my baby. Then they will start using this when they are grown enough. Yeah, so I couldn't take a risk because ngizomthatha to smack again. I won't afford to smack again, guys. Never. I won't. Maybe in my next life.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the
Hey, what have you? Good morning. Good morning. I can't say cute.
Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa. Ooh, yeah, 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 baby. No, no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run, baby.
I made some cool arts.
You made some cool art. You have to show me when we come back.
Okay.
Yep.
I want to buy something expensive.
What is that?
How I'm going to get to 2,000, mommy?
Hmm?
How I'm going to get to 2,000?
2,000.
Yes.
What do you want to buy with 2,000?
Okay, what is the pen down? Like,
Hi guys, welcome back. We are on our way. They can see you.
hello, Hasla mommy's son.
Yeah.
I just got right from school. We are not doing nothing. Just two of us in class.
So guys, I'm here to close off the vlog. We have watched up until this far. Thank you so much, darling. You are just a sweetheart. So please, only pinky hearts just for baby girl. Pink and blue. Yeah, pink and blue. You put one pink and two blues. Shut up. Bye. See you on the next vloggy. Bye.